do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in from the first day on the pasture. Gonna see how our little friends are doing in here. Hey birds. Hey birds. They look a little cool, but I don't see any that have their feet in the air yet. So they all seem to be doing okay. Now, it was probably in the 40s. It probably got down to the 40s last night. So they all seem to be doing all right. There, look at that. There, I don't know if we can focus through the fence or not, but those birds have the water figured out. Those birds have the water figured out. Well, they're gonna focus. They got the water figured out. How about over here? I don't know that they got it figured out, but they know where it's at. So, okay, so here's what I need to do real quick. I need to get these birds fed. I need to get them watered, and I need to just make sure they're all right. I probably will not, looking at the condition of the grass in those tractors, I'm probably not going to move them right now, and then I'll decide later on today whether I'm going to move them at all until tomorrow or not. So the grass is looking pretty good. There's a lot of stuff in there for them to nibble on, so I'm going to leave that alone because they're so small and they're not consuming much. So I'm going to leave it be, but I do need to get in there, feed, water, and then shake loose for the morning because I have to be up at the CNFR at 6:30 this morning. So I'm going to do that right quick. Stand by.
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Okay, well, this is great. I love having these birds out here on the pasture. I love coming out and checking on them first thing in the morning. It's beautiful. It's a little overcast, a little cool day, but all in all, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. What we're gonna do is shake loose right now. I'm gonna go do my daily activities, and then we'll come check in on these birds again. Now, quick update. They each took about a half a scoop of food from where we had it leveled off. Awesome. The waters are all still about 3/4 full. So again, they have those. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're in that first tractor. They've got the water figured out. They know what that's about. So we're gonna let these birds just do their thing. So I'll be checking back in with you later this afternoon. So stand by. Right neck.
I bet, huh? Come on, girls. Little tiny thighs. Come on.
All right, Nick.
All right. Come on, baby. This might be pretty free and clear. Girl? Why? Move it. Over here. Nope. Ah, and now you made me get shit on my hand. Right here behind you. I know you want back in there, but you don't get to be back in there. Right here, you got a little wry neck and right, one right behind you. Are you far enough?
I better call it there because otherwise we're gonna have a big hole here. Okay.
Ready? Come on. Come on. There you go, baby. Get in. Oh, I got it. These two are little buttholes. There you go. Come on, guys. Thank you, baby. Hi.
Is that all of them, May?
Yep.
I think so.
Nice, so.
Okay.
Sorry, baby.
You grab that water out of there?
Do you want to? Oh, yeah, 'cause we can't fill it from there, can we?
Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's mid-afternoon, about 4 o'clock, I'd say right now. We broke loose, Mason and I broke loose from the CNFR so that we could come out here and feed chickens. Lo and behold, Mandy shook loose from her shift at the hospital. They were actually had a bit of a lull, so they said, hey Mandy, why don't you take the rest of the day off? So she did. So us and our CNFR duds, Mandy and her hospital duds. We're out here on the chicken pasture moving tractors. So we got the tractors moved. So that was day like the first day on the pasture. All the birds came out. All the birds went back in. We didn't end up chasing them all the way to Glen Rock, so that's a good thing. But that went pretty smooth.
They did really well, actually.
Yeah, that went really smooth. Mandy heard them out. Me heard them back in. It just went really well. So hopefully we get these birds trained to do that. I don't know of anybody else who's doing that as far as moving chicken tractors, moving them out, letting them graze a little bit, and then moving them back in. So we're going to cut loose here because we have to be back at the event center at 6:30 for the night performance, first night performance of the CNFR. So we're going to go home, get cleaned up, and then we're going to head up to that. So we will be checking in with you guys first thing tomorrow morning. Once again, we appreciate all of you, appreciate all the feedback, all the comments. Keep them coming. So until next time, Wyoming James, Powder River Mandarin, saying adios from the Urban Microfarm.
Chicken train running all day, can't get on, can't get off.